Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of Devin's Food Reviews. Today we are reviewing a Japanese delicacy that was invented after World War II and later popularized in America. We have ramen. You see, the packaging is very nice. There's some yellow and orange colors that very well complement each other, as well as some very tasty looking chicken and noodles, as well as a fork. However, the packaging does not provide a fork, so I do have one of my own. The packaging also calls for water, however there is no water inside the packaging, so that's a little confusing. Anyway, let's dig in. Oh, there's some crumbs already. You see, that is not a good sign. It means that the ramen is not very durable, which we will test later. The color is very bland. And it doesn't look very appealing, but gotta work with what you gotta work with. It is also 2 servings, so I have to break it in half because I'm not a fat slob. Let's dig in. It makes a very crackling sound, and it's very crumbly and flaky. It's also quite ripe. However, there is a little bit of dry blandness to it, which could be improved upon, I think. It also leaves a slight aftertaste of sodium bicarbonate. Let's now move on to the powder. The powder has a very shiny aluminum look to it. Makes it very appealing to look at. The taste of the powder is very briny and potent. It is quite concentrated and would probably be much better improved upon if it was in some sort of broth. However, there is no water that comes with the package, so we can't make a broth. The taste is also very artificial, with a slight aromatic, bitter taste. Now, onto my favorite part of this whole experience. We have the durability test. Well, it appears that ramen is not very durable, and yeah, thank you for watching today's episode of Devin's Food Reviews. Doesn't tear apart easily.